Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here you can see in title, are you Stump? So first of all, we solve it and then you solve it in your mind. So first of all, we simplify the round bracket 3 plus 2 multiply 2 is same, then 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, and now we simplify the off condition. Curly bracket open, 3 plus 2 multiply 3 is 6. Okay, and now we simplify the curly bracket open, 3 plus 2 multiply 6 is 12. Now we simplify 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 is final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.